Being around water is part of everyday life in Australia. Whether it be at the beach, backyard pools and spas, rivers and creeks, public swimming pools, dams or farms. Aside from the increased drowning risk, children who can't swim miss out on the many social and health benefits swimming brings for all ages and abilities. As an educator, we know your time is precious, which is why, in partnership with the Victorian Government, Lifesaving Victoria has created Swim City. It's a free online game-based learning experience that's designed to embed students' water safety knowledge through progressive play-based learning. The program teaches the knowledge component of the Victorian Water Safety Certificate without the need for water or lesson plans. Your students can access Swim City at home or in the classroom, and it is perfect to be used as an introduction before heading to swimming lessons, between classroom activities, during a wet lunchtime, or even if they forget their bathers. Oopsie! Throughout the innovative and fun learning journey, students will explore 5 key locations: home, rivers and lakes, farms, aquatic centres and beaches, reinforcing their understanding of how to stay safe in and around the water. They can also choose from 3 levels of difficulty to account for varying levels of prior knowledge. Want to know more? Dive into LSV's Swim City homepage to find out how you can integrate it into your existing curriculum.